big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Hear ye, hear ye. I'm the world's greatest diver, and I have a challenge for anyone on this ship.
But see, a Shakespeare this. Both hear ye, hear ye.
Throw anything in the sea, and if I can't find it, I'll pay you $10,000.
What?
But there's the catch. If I find it, you pay me $10,000. So who wants to take on this challenge?
Alright, me pay challenge. You find kind, you win.
What? At this more see.
Him stay long underwater.
I wonder if him drown.
That would be $10,000. Anyone else?
Beg your man no Mr. Shakespeare.
Okay, Mr. Diver Man, you try find this. That man there is truly the world's greatest diver.
Him good for true. Me I go take on the challenge. But 10 grand a monkey money. Alright, me could double it. Shakespeare, 20 grand.
Bring it on.
Find that.